Thank you for having me. I'm thrilled to be here in Houston. I'm Katya Vladislavleva, a mathematician studying complex systems modeling, who became an engineer and then a data scientist and then a managing consultant.
Fantastic. So you work for Partners in Performance. Tell us a little bit about Partners in Performance.
Partners in Performance is a special management consultancy firm who is really true to their name. We are partners to our clients and their vendors, focused on implementing solutions for really substantial operational improvement.
So Partners in Performances have been around for a long time.
Oh, yes, that's true. It's been 26 years at least.
Excellent. So that's nearly 3 decades, and it was founded by
Skip Williamson. Yes, a strong and wise woman who thought there should be a better way of doing consultancy. Well, what I really like about Partners in Performance, and there is a reason for it, so my company, Data Stories, became a part of Partners in Performance 3 years ago. I really liked the breadth and depth of knowledge in mining, so about 60% of our time, we focus on heavy asset industries, and mining is an important part of it, mining, resources, energy sectors. I really liked the focus on people and on changing behavior in a very special way. Because we at Partners in Performance believe in immense power of people and have the methodology and ways to install new solutions and also wire them up. We call it wiring. When you bring a new processes and new solutions, and then you need to really wire this process in so the construction fully stays when we leave.
I hear that often, when you leave, and it's usually quick. Explain that process when you're called in.
Well, we're called in for different reasons, but when we come, usually what makes us special, I believe, is that we are very fast. There are maybe 2 types of projects: really rapid diagnostics and then longer projects, but they all so diagnostics range from 1 to 2 weeks, and then the full potential projects really would range from 4 to maybe 9 and 10 weeks. When we leave, it means we really leave. And what makes us different is we believe that when we leave, the people and processes should be in place to continue unleashing potential of the business.
So you came today, you were invited to come speak at this data science convention that's on mainstreaming AI. And your presentation resonated with many in the audience. So tell us a little bit about your presentation.
Oh, thank you. My presentation is quite simple. The message and the story I'm bringing is about people. I really don't hear it enough at the technology conferences, that the success of transformation that we're all trying to bring in is not really about technology, it is about people. Because people are driving the change. Whatever technology does, if people are not ready to do it or their organizational processes are not ready, it will not work.
Very good. Any views about implementing AI, and what do you see some of the success factors that are resonating in the organizations that you're working?
Well, the first and foremost, great question, Michael. The first and foremost would be trust and confidence in AI solutions. Very often we come and we work in, well, the old mature industries where experts, subject matter experts believe they know everything about the industry. And when we bring yet another new tool, there is very often a concern raised. So the first and foremost is to help people gain trust and confidence in own predictions and recommendations. And the second is to give solutions to the client team, to the operations team, so they own it. They can change it. They can validate it. They know who to call if everything breaks, but they are the ones who are owning the solution, trusting the solution. This is the only way to attain accountability and ownership. And this is the only way to get to sustainable results.
Thank you, Katya. So I'm going to shift gears. You were also asked and invited to be a judge of the Machine Learning Challenge. I was somewhere in the order of 40+ teams signed up. That was quite a task to take all these teams and actually narrow down and give awards. Can you talk to us about that process and your role?
Thank you. Yes, I was excited to do that. I'm very happy that I did it. It was at some point scary when all the submissions came in and we needed to evaluate them carefully without cutting corners. I really would like to celebrate the organizers of the challenge, also BPX who released the data, the team, the challenge team who did so much work in setting this up, validating the data, and also all the participants. It was quite a bit of dedication and time that they all invested into solving the problem. So very happy about it to observe the diversity of solutions, the dedication, and the differences in presenting the results.
But you, Katya, also came with Partners in Performance to give a special award. Can you tell us a little bit about that special award?
Yes, thank you for asking. We did want to give a special award at a machine learning challenge because we firmly believe that the success is not just about machine learning models. The success is in implementation readiness. So we wanted to award teams who thought about what happens after the model is created, how to sustain it, how to make sure it is implemented and then owned well by the local teams. And there were two great teams who really thought about it, made video, made a preparation, really paved the way to sustainable implementation.
Well, Katya, thank you so much for coming today. Before we leave, are there any insights that you can give the organizations and the people out there that are working in energy, whether it's the energy transition, oil and gas, geothermal, as they look at AI and how they could more effectively look at implementation of AI?
Good question. I should think about it. Well, the insights are the same. Make sure AI is fit for purpose. Make sure you apply it to problems that do not allow conventional solutions. Make sure you don't forget about people, because it's not really about the new shiny technology. It is about changing behaviors for the business goal, and the goal should be substantial business value. So don't forget about the business value. Make sure that all the initiatives are ranked and prioritized based on that. And probably one more, try to keep this new capability partially inside your team. Educate, maybe convert your own engineers into data scientists or energy-driven data scientists, which is then would be a gift that keeps giving and help grow the capability and data-driven culture.
A gift that keeps on giving. Thank you so much,
Thank you,
Katya,
Mike,
for coming today.